The best way to prevent creases in Air Force Ones is to use a sneaker shield. Creases come from walking, obviously, and sneaker shields combat that really effectively. In this video, I'll show you how to use a sneaker shield and how to make a sneaker shield at home for cheap with things around the house if you don't want to spend any money. Here's how to use a sneaker shield. Take your Air Force Ones and slip the sneaker shield all the way down inside the toe box. Make sure it's going all the way down inside there, guys. Then go ahead and put your foot inside the shoe, lace up.
And now time for a crease test.
As you can see here, the sneaker without the shield creases a lot and the one with it doesn't. Hit the like button for me creasing and destroying my Air Forces to show you this, guys. RIP. Sneaker shields are pretty inexpensive. I've put a link down below to the ones I'm using here if you want to pick some up. But if you don't want to spend any money and have a plastic folder like this lying around your house that's not in use, you're in luck, you can make your own. Start by using a piece of paper to trace around the toe box of your Air Force Ones. Don't worry if you don't get the lines perfect, it's kind of difficult to do this, but just go ahead until you have that rough outline. Then take that and cut it out. Place it on top of your plastic folder and use it as a stencil to cut out the plastic. What I like to do is take a little bit of sellotape and just stick that down to make it easier. Then there you have it, a homemade sneaker shield. Slip it into your Air Force Ones and try it out.
Let's crease test.
As you can see here, my Air Force Ones without it are creasing super easily, and with this homemade one, they're not creasing as much, so it's pretty effective. It's definitely not as good as a proper sneaker shield that you buy, but it's good in a pinch. If you found the info in this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button to help it reach more people and save Air Force Ones from creasing around the world. Thanks, guys!